The Toyota GR Supra 10-second twins make SEMA show debut. The Toyota GR Supra has secured its place as a sports car worthy of carrying the legendary name and continuing its decades-long legacy. Following the Wild GR Supra Heritage Edition and GR Supra Sport Top unveiled at previous SEMA shows, Toyota and the Toyota Motorsports Garage team wondered what they could do with the GR Supra, a drag strip and a $10,000 build budget. They started with two GR Supra 3.0 sports cars and got busy with a plan to increase horsepower by 30 to 40%. They added a pure turbo single turbo and two CSF high-performance intercoolers to the stock 3-liter, inline 6-cylinder engine, then worked closely with one of the leaders in the import drag racing world, Titan Motorsports, adding a catless downpipe, 3.5-inch exhaust and an ECU tune. The result is a whopping 620 horsepower and 590 pounds-foot of torque, compared to the 335 horsepower and 365 pounds-foot of torque the engine makes from the factory. On its first test runs, the first 10-second twin Supra achieved a quarter-mile time in the mid-11-second range. With a bit of ECU fine-tuning, the team then achieved its 10-second goal, posting a 10.9 quarter-mile run. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.